Hello and welcome to a new Python coding challenge video. To solve the challenge I set out last week, we can divide the problem into 4 parts. Part 1, calculate whether a number is prime or not. Part 2, return all prime numbers between 2 and a number n. Part 3, calculate the prime factors of our number. And Part 4, count the digits of our number and its prime factors and solve the challenge. So let's start with the first part first. As you can see, I've already imported some modules which we'll use throughout our solution. So now we can write define prime test of n. Now if our number is equal to 2, then we can return true because we know that 2 is a prime number. Elif our number n is smaller or equal to 1, or n is a multiple of 2, then definitely it is not prime, and therefore we can return false. Also, we know that if a number has any divisors other than 1 and itself, then at least one of these will be smaller or equal to the square root of our number. So we can write x equals sqrt of n, then y equals 3, and then we can say while y is smaller or equal to x, then if n modulus y is equal to 0, return false, and then we have y plus equals 2, and finally outside of our while loop we have return true. Now what this means is that if at any point we find a divisor of our number, then our number is definitely not prime and therefore we can return false. Else, if it goes through the entire loop without finding any divisors, then our number must be prime and we can return true. And there you have it. Part 1 of our solution is complete. Don't forget to tune in next week for part 2 and 3. And in the meantime, make sure to check out my other Python challenges and tutorial videos. You can find a link to them on your screen and in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video and wish to support the channel, then please don't forget to leave a like, share the video and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you all again next week, and until then, happy coding!